Hey guys, welcome back. How are you guys doing today? I am a little bit riled up right now because I filmed this entire video and it took me a little bit over an hour to do. And then at the very end, I realized that I forgot to hit the record button. So that's definitely on me. And let's just get right into it and talk about some skincare because that's something that I love to talk about. And speaking of things I love, I also love frequent channel supporters. And today's sponsor is none other than Foreo. You guys know I love their products. I have so many of them. They're always just so nice. They've been so supportive of my channel. So today I'm going to be talking about the UFO2. So this is a masking device and it turns what would usually be 20 minutes of using a sheet mask and it cuts it down into 90 seconds. But it has so many additional features. It's so good, and it's like having several spa treatments just like in one device at home. So basically how this works is you take the UFO power activated mask and you pop it right here into the center after removing the ring. Then once it's situated, you put the ring back in and it's ready to go. But there's more. You can choose whether you want the UFO2 to emit heat from here, the center, or a cold sensation. The heat thermotherapy helps to relax the skin and pores, allowing the serum to penetrate deeper into the skin, while the cold cryotherapy reduces puffiness, inflammation, and it helps to make the skin look more firm and lifted. But for me, the most interesting part is that it offers 8 light therapy options to target different skin concerns. According to Foreo's website, the red LED light stimulates the production of collagen and elastin to firm and lift the skin, and it also diminishes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The blue light minimizes imperfections and destroys acne bacteria to prevent breakouts and stabilize overactive oil production. I recently gifted one to my sister too, and she has acne-prone skin, and she like swears by the blue light. She's not even interested in using the other lights, and I'm always just like, but you'd like the purple light because it has, you know, blue and red in it, and she's like, the blue one is all I need. So I'm like, okay, just use the blue light, but you would love the other lights. Okay, let's get back to the lights. So the purple LED is a combination of the blue and the red, and it helps to eliminate toxins, boost radiance, pacify inflammation, and accelerate healing. The green light evens out skin tone and brightens dull complexions and softens age spots, dark circles, and other discoloration. The white LED tones and tightens the skin. It reduces puffiness and it activates the skin's natural renewing process. The cyan LED is the anti-inflammatory light that calms stressed out skin, and it has been proven to promote healing. The yellow LED soothes sunburns, it softens rosacea and combats swelling. And finally, the orange LED, it revitalizes the skin for a healthy glow. My personal favorites are the red, the blue, and the purple LED light, and I feel like it really has helped to minimize the amount of breakouts that I get, especially when the week before my period. And I don't know if it's just like the placebo effect, like I think it's working so then it works for me, but at the same time it's happened too many times to, you know, be a coincidence. So yeah, I feel like it really does work. When you first get it, you do have to connect it to the app so that you can customize your settings, but after that initial setup, you can just turn it on whenever and use it whenever, wherever you want. So when you open the app, this is what it looks like. I'm just gonna go ahead and click the UFO2, and then it brings you to this main menu. And to start using it, you go to treatments, and then here you can choose the mask you're using. And then for example, if I'm using this one, Youth Junkie, I'd press start. Then the UFO device will start with the preset customs for that mask. But if you want to customize it yourself and leave it on the same setting, just every time you turn it on, you want the same setting, you just go ahead and let's go back, go into settings. Make sure this icon for settings is selected, and then you go here, and then here's where you can customize everything. So I have it set for 180 seconds every treatment, and I like the purple light, so I leave it there, but if I wanted to, I could slide it over to the red light. And then here you can choose if you want the device to be hot or cold, or if you don't want any temperature at all, you can choose off. I like the heat, so I've chosen heat, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and press high for T-sonic pulsations, and then save changes. And then that's it. Once it's saved, every time you turn your UFO2 on, it's just going to run with that setting. This is the advanced collection of UFO power activated masks. Foreo also has a basic set called the Daily Duo, as well as a farm to face collection. They're made in Korea and they are super fantastic, super high quality, so soft. Each mask comes completely saturated in serum, and there's even enough left over to use tomorrow morning and the next day. The Glow Addict mask is great for brightening dull skin, evening out skin tone, and it's suitable for all skin types. The H2O Overdose is great for replenishing thirsty skin and providing instant and long-lasting hydration and moisture. The Youth Junkie mask helps to restore the skin's youthful plump by improving skin elasticity and reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and this is one of my favorite ones. The Shimmer Freak mask is great for brightening and refreshing tired or dry or puffy under eyes. And the Matte Maniac mask is great for purifying the skin to make it look clear and healthy, and it also supports the skin's natural oil balance to keep the skin looking, clear and healthy. Okay, so which one should I choose today? I'm pretty sure I chose the Youth Junkie one. This is the one that I reach for most often. I like to use this one or the H2O Overdose one in the evening because I want my skin to be super hydrated and plump all night. And here I'm just popping it into the UFO2. I have to remove the ring first and then I place it back on top to hold the mask in. And then I can start the treatment. And oh, I also forgot to mention that this also has the T-sonic pulsations. So if you can hear a slight buzzing, that's what that is. And you can turn it on or off, but I like to leave it on because why not? It's nice. I love it. It feels like a little massage. I always feel like I'm getting a little facial massage when I use this. So I just continue to glide this around my face, and when I'm using this off camera, I'll glide it down my neck and chest as well. Once the timer stops, I pat the serum in, and then I can move on to the rest of my skincare. Another thing I love about this is that it's completely waterproof, so to clean the UFO2, I just run it under water and dry it with a clean cloth, and then I put it in a pouch because I like to take care of my things, especially if it's expensive. I know that it's pricey, but if you've been thinking about getting it and you do have budget for it, then I do think that it is definitely worth it. To me, skincare is an investment, and I want to invest in good, high quality products now because to me, reversing is a lot harder, and I definitely think that prevention is key. Okay guys, that's it for me. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or any comments, definitely leave them down below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to me if you haven't already. I hope you're all healthy and staying safe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!